Hey guys, today I have 3 ghost Halloween DIYs for you to enjoy. So this here is the first ghost DIY we're going to be making out of recycled materials. It even lights up, how cool is that? So here I'm just cutting the back of an empty milk bottle so that we can put some LED lights in there later. Then you're going to take some wire and pliers and we're going to use this as a ghost's hands. Not that ghosts have hands, right? I don't know, but you know what I mean. Then you're going to take your wires and poke them through your milk bottle on either side. Then you're going to take anything round to act as the ghost's head. Now this elf was set on my shelf and it was perfect. Then you're going to take around 3 or 4 battery LED lights, stick them at the back in the opening that we created. Take your cheesecloth, put it over your ghost's head and body, and then just trim it from the bottom to size. You're going to bring your ghost to life by making its eyes and mouth, and I tried a marker pen to do this. Yeah, that didn't work so well, so I am going to be using some masking tape. And as simple as that, you've got yourself a pretty cool and effective ghost Halloween decor piece. Plus we got to recycle material too. Moving on, you're going to capture a ghost in a jar for this second DIY. First up, you're going to be covering that ugly lid with some card and masking tape, and of course we're going to be using black because it's Halloween. You can decorate your lid even more by hot gluing some creepy crawlies on there. To make your ghost's body, take a toy. You can wrap it around with some plastic just to protect it. Then take your cheesecloth and cut it to size. Place it over your toy. Then take some starch and spray it. And then leave that to dry for a few hours. Again, I'm going to be taking some masking tape to create the eyes and the mouth of our ghost. You're going to take some clear string because it looks invisible, that way the ghost is actually going to look like he is flying in your jar. Slip the string through one of the holes in the cheesecloth and then just tie a knot on the other side. Attach this to the inside of your lid using a small amount of masking tape. This is an optional step, but you can add a tea light inside as well. And here's your second DIY now complete. It's really quick but pretty cute in my opinion. And make sure that you cut your string shorter than mine because mine is a little bit long, so the ghost isn't flying or floating as much as I would like. And now we're on to our third and last Halloween DIY, and we're going to be creating a hanging mobile. First up, you need a stick and then just spray paint that black. To hang your mobile on your wall, take some clear string and tie it on either side of your stick, then just stick that down with some clear tape. So here I made 3 ghosts using the same technique that I showed you guys earlier in the video. Again, create their eyes and mouth using some masking tape. And I'm hanging the ghosts onto the mobile using the same technique as before, just putting some clear string in through the cheesecloth. You're going to need pumpkins for the next part. I got these from Poundland and I'm just tying them with the clear string to add to the mobile as well. Draw 2 to 3 bats on some black card. I chose to draw it on some black sticky foam pad so that I can just stick it directly to the string. And there you have it, the final DIY for today, a cute hanging Halloween mobile. I tried to make all 3 DIYs really quick and easy to make for you guys and with readily available materials. I think all 3 came out pretty cool and I hope that I have helped you decorate your home for Halloween a little easier. Let me know which one of these were your favourites and give this video a thumbs up if you have enjoyed it. And if you're new to my channel, then a massive welcome to you. I hope that you can stay and click that subscribe button. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye.